we are going to learn about how to install Eclipse IDE for Selenium, and to execute Selenium, how to install Java JDK files, and how to import Selenium WebDriver jar files in Eclipse IDE. First, let's start with the installation of Java JDK files, because before installing Eclipse IDE, you need to ensure that Java JDK file is up to date in your computer. So first, let's start with the installation of Java JDK file. Open Google and type in Java JDK download, and you will get a website of Oracle as your first search. So click on that link. Oracle website got open up. In the Oracle website, click on Oracle JDK download, and the screen which shows it, click on accept license agreement, and then you can download whether your OS is Windows OS or Mac OS. You can click the respective files to download the Java JDK files. Once it is downloaded, you can double click on that file to execute and install Java JDK. It will run in the background. Next, we are going to download the Eclipse software. So to download the Eclipse software, again go to Google, type in Eclipse download, and in the eclipse.org website you can get the latest Eclipse IDE version, and you can download it and you can install it. Once you are done with the installation, the file will show up in a folder in an application format. You need to double click on that file to open the Eclipse software. So if you are getting any error message while opening up the Eclipse, it means that the environmental variable is not set up correctly. So to set up the environment variable, you are going to right click on the My Computer, select Properties, and in a system window will open up, and in that you are going to click on Advanced System Settings, and System Properties pop-up generates, and in that click on Environmental Variables. And now we are going to create a new environment variable. To generate the new environment variable, click on New and give the variable name as path, and you can get the variable value from your JDK, Java JDK folder where you have downloaded. You are going to get the link, that is C program files Java JDK 1.8, the folder which you have downloaded, and inside that you need to open up the bin and you copy that path and paste it in the environment variable. And you could set the environment name as path, and once you give on OK, click on OK thrice. So now the environmental variable path is set up. So you can close the windows, whichever is open. Now you will be able to open your Eclipse. So this is your startup window in Eclipse. You can close on the welcome screen to open up your Eclipse coding window. So this is your Eclipse IDE. Now let's see how to download Selenium WebDriver jar files and how to import it in Eclipse IDE. So to download Selenium WebDriver jar files, we are going to open up seleniumhq.org. In that, click on Download tab, and in that you can go to Selenium Client and WebDriver language bindings and click on the download icon beside the Java language, and your Selenium WebDriver jar files will get downloaded. It will be downloaded in a zip format. You can extract it and keep the files ready to be imported in Eclipse IDE. Once you are done with the jar files download, we are going to create our project in Eclipse and import our Selenium WebDriver files. To create a Java project, open Eclipse, click on File, New, Java Project, type the project name and click on Finish. Once you're done with the creation of Java project, you will be having the Java system library jar files, as well as you will be having an SRC folder where your files will be get stored. Once you are done with the project creation, we are going to create a package. To create a package, right click on your project name, click on New, Package, and type the package name and click on Finish. Now we are done with the Java project creation and package creation. So once we are done with the package creation, let's import our WebDriver jar files. To import the WebDriver jar files, select the Java project and right click. Click on Build Path, Configure Build Path, select the Libraries tab, click on Add External Jars. We have already downloaded JRE system library, which is by default gets downloaded in Eclipse IDE. So it shows up in our library tab. So now click on Add External Jars and go to the folder where we have downloaded our Selenium WebDriver jar files, and we can import all the files inside our library. We are going to make the task do it twice because we need to import all the library files inside the folder. So select all the files, add it, click on Apply and Apply and Close. So it shows the referenced library folder below your project. So these are the Selenium WebDriver jar files. So now we are ready to type in our Selenium WebDriver program and we can execute it in Eclipse IDE. So this is the way we import the Selenium WebDriver jar files in Eclipse IDE. Hope you understand the concept. Let's meet up with a different topic in another video. For more videos, you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get further notification.